What's going on YouTube? It's your boy YTJ back again with another video, and right now we are in the Fuse Dog, but we about to head back to KC real quick. But while I'm there, I'm gonna try to fix the Mustang. So back probably like my last video I did with the Mustang, it was like it was in the shop because I had to get my plugs and wires changed, and that's because I had like antifreeze and stuff in my spark plug tubes. And so I'm gonna go home and try to change out these intake manifold gaskets and hope that fixes the problem. Hopefully I can drive the Mustang back when I get done, because like I miss driving that mug, bro. Like this car is nice and calm and comfortable and all that, but like I do miss it. We about to head home. Got that pizza. We got the Chiefs game on. Boy, we set. So I'll catch y'all when we get back to KC. And yeah. All right, it's dark in here because we still got this tent thing on top of my car protecting the top and all that, but we about to get the first start up of the car since forever. Oh my God, I missed it. Oh, I missed it, bro. Hold up. You wanna hear my car? Okay. Yeah. Woo, got that bad boy started, sir. Oh my God, I missed this car so much. My boy whipping that mug. Oh. What? Bro, words cannot explain how happy I am to be back in my car. Bro, I cannot stop smiling, dude. Oh my, I missed this car. That boy's still clean. Bro, I gotta fix this mug before I go. It's just nighttime, but I'm still about to hit this mug for the one. Hold up. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Hold on, let me stop. We are back again. Here we go for day 2. The last day that I really have to finish up this car. Poor thing still up on jack stands. Let's just take a look. This what you looking like right now. No intake manifold, everything just kind of all over the place. Fuel rails is all loose and stuff. Starter body all the way over here. No air intake. Radiator hose disconnected, bro. Lower radiator hose disconnected, bro. We got a lot of stuff to do, honestly. I gotta clean this the cylinder head surface off. I'm gonna replace all the O-rings on the fuel injectors. Might replace the fuel injectors too. I gotta see how I feel when I get there, how much everything is costing, cause not made of money. Oh, I'm gonna replace my water pump, new antifreeze, bro. We got a lot to do, so we ain't gonna do too much talking. We're just gonna get right back into it. Hopefully I get this thing done, bro. I'll be so sad if I don't. All right, so we are at the dealership. Just picked up 2 of these intake gaskets, and I got a fuel injector because one of mine was like cracked a little bit, so I was like, I'm gonna replace that. So far, this is how deep we are into this journey. 304.53. We'll see how far this goes. Yes, sir.